Hello everyone, welcome to Ishwari Tanisha channel. In this video, we are going to see how to present properly in your board examination in order to get full marks, that is 80 out of 80. So students, if you want to score full marks 80 out of 80, so go through this paper. So this is last year answer sheet of a student who scored 80 out of 80 in science. So before going into the video, students, if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and also share this video with your friends, and this will be very helpful for your board preparation. So your answer sheet will look like this. This is the first sheet of your answer booklet. So in board examination, you will get answer booklet. The first sheet will be like this. So you can see here it will be written Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board answer booklet. So here you have to write whether English medium or Kannada medium, science, and then you have to write a subject code. So all this you have to fill up, how many pages you are using, all those things. And this will be entered by the teacher who evaluates your paper. So here you can see for each question how many marks is awarded. For first question, so for first question, for second question, how many marks you're getting, for third, fourth. So like this, in each sheet, for each question, how many marks is given, it will be awarded, and then it will be total will be calculated, and here you can see the grand total. So your total marks will be entered here. So here, this is your first page of writing. So you will write here. So write the heading science, part A, physics. So students, whenever you're writing in the writing the board examination, so it should be clear and neat. Your handwriting should be very neat. So here, what and all you have to keep in mind in order to get full marks. See here, question numbers, space is given to you here. So there you have to write the question number. So here, if it is first main you will write, and then first question. So in all the part, that is physics, chemistry and biology, first main you will have multiple choice questions, correct? So multiple choice questions, just don't write this much and leave. So students, what usually mistake what they make is, first question answer is B, so this much they will write and leave. So don't leave it like that. So write first question. If B is the correct option, write B, and that full answer you should write. Rear view mirror of the vehicle. And then second question, so option A is correct, write full refraction of light. Same way, third question, C is the answer, so write the answer. So option and then answer you have to enter. So for that you will be getting full marks. And then second main you write like this, and then write fourth question, write the answer. So here, if there is any diagram, draw the diagram using pencil. Neatly you have to draw, and see here, whenever important point is there, you underline it so that it is clearly visible to the teacher who is correcting it. So here, underline whichever word you feel it is important. And one more point here, what you have to observe is, after every answer, can you see here, leave at least 1 or 2 lines gap. See here, 2 lines gap, and then draw lines like this in order to separate, so that it is clearly visible that this answer, after this, next answer is starting here. So leave some space and then draw the line. So here you can see next, sixth question. So here, write it, and whenever some important point you are writing, so put star mark like this or some arrow mark like this, and you have to write it. And then you can see again, leave some space and then start the next answer. So all the diagrams in pencil you draw it neatly and then label. So whenever there is a differentiate between that, between two things if it is given. So draw a table like this. Draw a table like this, and then point wise you write first point, second point, third point, like this point wise you start writing. and one ray diagram will be given for sure every year. So see here, ray diagram will be given, so you have to draw neatly. And in the ray diagram, what is important? Arrow marks are very important, so students will forget in writing this arrow marks. This indicates in which direction the light is penetrating, so indicate the arrow marks, and all this labeling should be there. So and then mention the object and image, and if position of the image is asked, you have to write, and then nature of the image, so write separately like this. And whenever there is a formula, see here, Ohm's law definition is given and then formula. So formula write separately and then underline it. And then factors on which the resistance of the conductor depends. So write in point wise like this. See, this is 11th question. Here the student, what student has done is 11th question, A and B you have to answer. Suppose if you have any doubt in any of the answer, so in this A part you have doubt, maybe something is wrong here. So here you can write extra. So here the student has written extra. So if this is correctly written, so extra will be eliminated. So this will be ruled out. So only the correct options they will select. So here you can write point wise. Whenever you are writing point wise, put star mark or put arrow mark like this and start writing, or even you can write points like this, 1, 2, 3. So point wise you have to write, and whenever important words are there, underline it. And here you can see numerical. So how numerical you are solving. So first write what is given in the question, and then what you have to find. So what you have to find, F. After write the formula, substitute. After finding F, clearly you write F is equal to this much. V you have to find. Write the formula, find, and finally write V is equal to this much. So like that clearly you have to mention. Same way, after you finished physics, so chemistry you can start from the new page, or here if space is there, you can start from this page itself. So chemistry also same way. First will be multiple choice questions. So write question number and then correct option and write the entire answer. And then you can see here these are 1 mark questions and then 2 mark questions. See, 2 mark question whenever it is asked. So if definition is the right definition, and then methods to prevent rancidity. So write in point wise here what are the methods which are used to prevent rancidity. So equations are very important. Clearly you have to write the equation like this. So leave one line and then clearly it should be visible. So here even the diagrams, draw the diagram neatly and then mention the parts which are asked in the question. So here you can see so this is the again one extra question is given. So student has attended both, so any one will be selected. So if you have any doubt and if time is there, you can write extra. So clearly see paper presentation, how neatly it looks. So neatly leaving space, write your answers, and also between 2 answers leave at least 2 lines and separate it like this so that it is clearly visible. These are separate answers, and whenever differentiation is there, draw a table and then differentiate it. And see formulas here. Whenever formula is asked, so clearly you have to indicate all the bond separation should be there. Little bit bigger one you can write. So write like this, C, 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 like this, and then hydrogen atoms. So clearly it should be visible. So here chemistry, and after that this is biology. So biology from fresh page you can start. So again here multiple choice questions and then 1 mark questions you can see. And then again there is a diagram. So neat diagram you have to draw. So you can see the diagram of the brain. And then here you can see the table. So whenever it is asked, the ratio also you have to mention the phenotypic ratio. So here you have to indicate and separately mention it like this, 9:3:3:1, and mention what is 9. Round green seed, round yellow seed, wrinkled yellow seed, wrinkled green seed, mention it like this. So see here, point wise you have to write like this, and then the important point underline it wherever whichever you find it important. So those points you can underline. So this is the answer sheet. So if any unfilled sheet is there, you just scratch it out like this. So this is the presentation of the paper by the student last year. For this answer script, full mark the student has got. See here, 80 out of 80. So go through it once again, see how neatly it is presented. So this is how you have to present. So students, if you have any doubts, write in the comment section, and any topic if you want me to do a video on that, so indicate in the comment section.